Hey guys, I'm Jespar, and tower defense in Minecraft might change after seeing this. A controllable fireball that players can put on top of towers and launch at other enemies. Imagine PvP maps with this turned on. It's fun. I've been doing this for a while, so I thought I'd post it. I discovered it by accident. I was summoning a fireball in. So summon fireball 2.5 above the command block. I set my explosion radius, and I accidentally put direction at 000 and noticed that it just stayed there. It didn't do anything until you punched it. So now we have rocket launchers in Minecraft. I wonder how much damage I can cause with this. Anyway, I'll see you guys around. See you.